Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can connect your JBL WaveFlex with Android phone, and the process is simple. So first what you want to do is take both earbuds out. Now when you're going to do it, and you're gonna find it like they are pairing right now, do you see they're like blinking? Then what you need to do is go to a Bluetooth, or your phone automatically is going to show you that you can connect with them. I'm going to click connect, but I will show you also how you can do it in Bluetooth. So when you're going to take them out, they're going to start blinking. And now what you can do is go to top right to settings on your phone. Then on connections, you want to go to Bluetooth. And then on the bottom, if you didn't pair them yet, you would find them on available devices. So you would find them there, press on it, and then you would have it right here as the action, right? That is like going to be connected. Now then what you can do is go to the app called JBL headphones that you can use, and I'm going to press it. And then what is going to happen is that when you're going to install the app, you are going to find the JBL WaveFlex right here. So I'm going to press on it, get started, okay, done. And how it works right here. So I'm going to turn on the light so you can see everything. Here, you are going to find the ambient sound control, where you're going to find ambient sound and talk through, also left and right the battery state. Then you're going to find also equalizer here. So when you're going to press on equalizer, if you want to, you can change it to vocal, bass, or create your own equalizer. Then you're going to have gestures here. So you can also edit that, and I'm going to show you right here. Now you see that one tap means volume 1, double tap means volume minus, tap and hold, activating a native voice assistant. And then you're gonna have also call control. So you're gonna have double tap is going to be answer incoming call, and you can change that. So you can have a left and right. And then if you want to, you can customize the gestures to have playback control, none, or ambient sound control. So you can change the settings right here. Now, when I go even further, when you get in the app, you can have voice aware, and voice aware means they control how much of your own voice you can hear during calls. So this is something that you can change also, and you can turn it off and on. Then you can have smart audio video. So if you're gonna watch video mode, you can choose it to video mode. That's something that you can also do. Then you can also have voice prompts. And then you can have max volume limiter. That is so for your, so they're not going to be that loud. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is that you're going to find my earbuds. So this is something that you can also do. And it's going to start like high pitch noise. So this is something that you can also do, and it's a cool feature. So I hope this video gave you value about how you can use the earbuds and how it works. So then what you're going to do is just like, you can set it up in the app as much as you want. So yeah, thank you and have a great day, and goodbye.